Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to open a new desktop on Mac. So for example, on one desktop we can have a browser open, on the other desktop a game or anything else we want. So let's start. First of all, to open a new desktop we need to press F3 button on the keyboard, this button over here. And once I press F3 we can see over here something like this, so we need to move our mouse up here and then move it to the right side where we see this plus sign, and as soon as we hit it the second desktop was created. So now to move from one desktop to the other we can again press F3 button and then click on one or the other desktop. There is also another way to change from one desktop to the other. To change the desktops using keyboard shortcuts, we need to press and hold Ctrl key and then press left arrow or right arrow key. I'm holding Ctrl right now and pressing left arrow key and right arrow key, and as you can see I'm changing the desktops by pressing the keys. So this is how we're changing from one desktop to the other one. And now I'm going to show you how to close one of the desktops. To do that we need to press F3 key again and then move our mouse up here, and once we move to the left top corner of the desktop we will see an X sign, and once we click on the X sign it will close the desktop. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.